Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix unblock a website blocked by administrator. So how can fix this issue, so how can fix that. In this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of to resolve this issue. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, if you are using a Opera browser, go to your new private windows, and after doing this, now you can see that enable the VPN, select any location, and after doing this, assess the block website. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem, if you are using a Google Chrome, then go to your Google extensions and install any VPN extension and use it. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this, that go to your network and internet, go to your proxy. After doing this, turn off the automatic detect settings and go to your manual proxy setups. Click on a setup, click on turn on it, and after doing this, open any browser and open a website spys.1 and press enter and open this website. And after doing this, copy any proxy IP address, go to your settings, and after doing this, paste it and copy the port and paste it. After that, click on save it and close it. After doing this, assess the block website, and I'm sure that after doing this, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.